We are going to see the ischial tuberosity. Ischial tuberosity, it is the lower end of the ischium. You can see this is rough, and this ischial tuberosity is divided into upper quadrilateral part and lower triangular part by a horizontal ridge. And later you can see this upper quadrilateral part is again divided by the oblique ridge into a upper lateral part and a lower medial part. How you are going to identify the lateral part is that this is the acetabulum which is facing outside, so this will be the lateral part, and this upper lateral part, it gives origin to the semimembranosus muscle, and this lower medial part, it gives origin to the semitendinosus along with the long head of the biceps femoris. Next, moving to the lower triangular part, which is again divided by the vertical ridge into a medial part and a lateral part. The lateral part, it gives origin to the ischial head of the adductor magnus muscle, and a medial part is covered by the fibrofatty tissue. And this ischial tuberosity altogether, it gives origin to the hamstring group of muscles.